Okay, to write an equation given a point and a slope, we want to, once again, we're going to start with our mx plus b, and we're going to fill in what we know. In this case, they give us the x and the y with our 2, 1, so I'm going to fill in the 1 for the y, and they even tell us the slope, which is 3, so I'm going to put a 3 for the m, and then I have a 2 for the x, and I want to find this. So it's 1 equals 6 plus b, subtract 6 from both sides, I get a negative 5 equals b, which is the y-intercept. Now that I know the y-intercept, I can then write my equation. So I can write my equation with my slope, which is 3x. In this case, it's a minus 5. So there's my equation when given a point. So I have to put the point in right here, solve for the letter b, and then resubstitute back in for those two parts. In this case, they give us 2 points, so we can find the slope by taking our 4 minus 1 and our 2 minus 3, which gives us 3 over negative 1, so we have a negative 3 as our slope equals m. And I'm just going to pick one of the points, so I'll just pick the first point. So if I put back my equation, there's my equation, and I put 3 in for x and 1 in for y. 1, I know my slope's a negative 3, my x is 3 plus b. I can then solve, it's a negative 9, by adding 9 to both sides, and I get my answer is 10 for b. So once I know my slope, I now can go back to my equation, and I go y, negative 3x plus 10. So every time we are doing these equations, we're always finding these two letters and putting those numbers in where they go.